Hi everybody, welcome to Pressure Crisp. Today's going to be another quick video. We're going to be making shake and bake pork chops and the Ninja Foodi. To get started with this, you have to make sure your ceramic bowl is in here, and also you want to make sure your air crisp basket is in the bowl. We're going to go ahead and close the lid. I'm going to select air crisp. I'm up at the 400 and I'm just going to hit start. It automatically defaults to 20 minutes. Right now we're just letting this preheat while we prepare the pork chops. You're going to find out that this is one of the most easiest things to make in your Ninja Foodi. We're using shake and bake today, the original pork. I have 2 pork chops, a little bowl of water. I already took out one of those packets. Just going to go ahead and open this packet up. Just going to pour it right in here. You're just going to take your pork chop and you just want to moisten it. Just put it in the water. Let the water drip off. You're going to put it right in your little shake and bake bag and give it a toss. That's all there is to it. I'm going to go ahead and just put this directly into the Ninja Foodi. Alright, we're going to do the same with the other one. I just want to watch you see me to do this. Alright, we've got that other one, and we're just going to put the other one right in here. So, as you can see, the Ninja Foodi will fit 2 pork chops in here. And we're just going to go ahead and close the lid. We're going to check it in 10 minutes. Okay, we've got 12 minutes. It's going to pop the top. Now we're going to flip these over as best we can, because I don't want that lovely coating to come off. All right. I am going to do a quick temp on these just to see where we're at, just for fun. Oh wow, they are cooking quite quickly. Okay, gonna head and close the lid, and I'll be back probably, I'll check this again in 10 minutes, so that'll bring it up to probably like 18 minutes. Okay, so we have 2 minutes and then 44 seconds left from the 20 minutes. Gonna raise the top, and we're just gonna temp the pork chops. They look fabulous. These are done, in fact, a little bit overdone. So I'm gonna take these out, let them sit for a few minutes, and we'll do a taste test. This is just a quick video just to show you how easy it is to make shake and bake pork chops in your Ninja Foodi. I'm not a big pork lover, but look at this. I did cut this, I just wanna show you. Look at this. Sorry, it's steaming. It is super moist, super moist. And that's my biggest beef with pork. All right, fine, you don't like the humor. But that was always my biggest beef with pork, is that it was too dry, way too dry. Let's get to this taste test. Look at this, I can't believe it. Moist, moist pork chop. Mmm. This is really good. And this is my first video with pork. I'm not too fond of it, so that's why. But now, after trying this shake and bake pork chop, stay tuned for more pork videos in your Ninja Foodi. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of my viewers. You're wonderful. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos.